What I wish I knew about AI 6 months ago could have made me $800 a month, effortlessly. Ready to dive in? I built a micro AI agent that reads public reviews, forums, and Reddit threads, then tells local businesses what their customers really think. It pulls keywords, trends, hidden complaints, then summarizes it into a single report, that's called Insight, and businesses pay for it. Every week I send them one of these reports. Takes 3 minutes, costs them $49. Do it for 4 businesses? That's nearly $800 a month. Passive. Want to copy this? Here's how I built mine. Step 1. Use ChatGPT with web access to read customer reviews and Reddit threads. Step 2. Ask it. Summarize 100 recent reviews into a weekly sentiment analysis with the top 5 keywords. Step 3. Automate it weekly with Zapier or Make.com and send the report through Gmail or Notion. No cold calls, no content, no camera, just AI and data. AI data is the new digital oil. Microbots are your 24/7 workers. And $49 reports only take 3 minutes to set up. This is what the internet will look like in 6 months. But you'll already be getting paid for it. Follow for the full setup before this becomes mainstream.